Hello friends, welcome to Apratim Art Station. Today we will make acrylic pouring painting on round canvas. Whenever we do pouring painting, we always get a new texture or new design. So let's start. See which material we will get. A round canvas, wooden stick, spoon, straw, dropper, plastic glass, palette knife, acrylic white color, grey color, and golden pearl metallic color. Here I am using fevicryl acrylic pouring kit. So we need one pouring medium, silicone oil, and one black color. When you open the box, you will get a leaflet which has some techniques and some instructions. Here I am starting with black color. They have mentioned that 2 ratio of color and 1 ratio of pouring medium. So I am also doing same. Here I am not using silicone oil for base coat. Apply black pouring color to canvas. Spread the color from the help of spatula or palette knife to the entire edge. I need grey color, so I am using white acrylic color. With some black color. Grey color which is not available in kit. I wanted it in my artwork. grey pouring color is ready. Apply from one side. Then apply white pouring color and half drop of silicone oil. Just 1 or 2 drops. If you want to create the sails texture, you can add few more drops of silicone oil. Then we apply golden pouring color. Here I am using hair dryer to spread the color. Then I am using straw to create more texture. Then cover all edges with the help of spatula or pallet knife. You can use brush also. Our painting is ready. If you like my channel, please like, share and comment. Please click the bell button for watching upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.